So we're here at Happy Ice, Happy Life. We about to go get some ice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna be the intro, but for real, welcome back to my channel. I'm giving you another vlog. Yes sis, I'm trying to do more vlogging. So today I'm going to get food with my uncle. He's here visiting from Michigan. So yeah, I'm spending a little time with family today. Ooh, it's windy out. It's kind of warm, kind of chilly in California. I would say chilly, not warm. It's chilly for Cali weather. And excuse my jacket, I got makeup all over. I'm trying to cover it up with my hair. I have this hat on because I need my hair done. But yeah, we're going to Sweet Chicks, you know, like Nas restaurant. So we ordered some chicken and waffles. The restaurant's closed, but they got like 2 little seats outside we can sit at. So that's what we doing. But yeah, my uncle, he comes to Cali. We have a lot of family here. So yeah, I'm excited to show him around things he never seen before, because no matter how many times you've been to California, it's always just so much to see. Like this newsstand right behind me. I'm sure this newsstand has been in plenty movies. I'm sure it's been there forever. And it's on Fairfax. So Fairfax is a pretty famous street out here. Let me show y'all. So much Fairfax. So this street's usually like filled, packed, but due to COVID, like everything has been kind of slow out here in Cali. So Sweet Chicks, you have Dow's Kill. Oh my God, Dow's Kill! I love Dow's Kill. I didn't even know they had a store out here. Hello? Oh no, I'm right here. Alright. Okay. So then we have Dow's Kill. They're still in business during COVID. This Cantor's is still open during COVID. All this stuff. COVID. So yeah. Everything. All these places right here shut down. I'm not too sure what they were in the first place. But yeah, I don't know if you can see me because it's kind of dark. And like I said, my lipstick is kind of bold. It's kind of dark out. I look dark out. You can't see me that good. People littering in the street. I got you on camera. But, so we got this 430 little... You know, Fairfax is all about like street fashion. So like... I'm pretty much getting all this. And then they have the Supreme store. For some odd reason, the Supreme store always got like a bunch of stuff. I mean, a line outside, so it's always a bunch of people outside the Supreme. I haven't been in there yet. I should go in there and try to film something. And they have the Diamond Supply Company. RIP, what is it called? Rip and Dip. I don't know, they have this, some jewelry over here. And then yeah, so I'm going to link back up with my uncle. He called me, he said I'm taking forever. He's probably sitting here bored, nervous, being in the city by himself. Oh yeah, like I said, we had to get takeout. They got a Dave's hot chicken over here, I never knew. It's where you pick up, order from. Order the food. And it's it's not too cold, but it's kind of windy outside. So like I'm not feeling like this windiness, because yeah, like that's not, it's too cold for me. Cali's supposed to be hot, like this is too cold. I hope I didn't have lipstick on my teeth when I was talking that whole entire time. But nonetheless, okay, so we're at Sweet Chicks. Sweet Chicks is closed for dine-in, but they do have takeout, and they do have like a few, like literally, when I say a few, 1, 2, 3. They have a few seats sitting outside where you can eat at or whatnot. But you have to order at the window and then come and sit down and get your food. Like pretty much everything in LA is pretty whack right now. I would highly recommend not coming here, and I'm just kidding. it's still a beautiful place to see, but everything is kind of pretty whack right now. Like, I wonder, will it ever get back to normal? That's my question. But I'm waiting for my food. I'm actually, let me download my uncle one of these. Oh, it's ready. Oh. So they gave me the mimosa. So they gave me this cup and like, it's a mimosa. Like, it don't give me the same vibe. Like, I'm a classy girl. I got Nashville hot chicken and a waffle.
Right there.
Yeah. Y'all got some Nashville hot chicken, which is a hot chicken from here. It came in this little box. Those might be grits.
Is this mine or yours?
Mine. Okay. Grits. So I got some cheese grits. I should ask for some sugar for these grits.
No, I gotta take a picture of our food.
Right. Wait, then give me a waffle?
Oh, yeah.
You ain't get a waffle?
Yeah.
Okay, then I got a waffle. The waffle. Okay, so I'm sanitizing my hands. Okay. Yes. Sanitize. And of course, you always gotta take a picture of your food. That's what you do. Every food in LA, reasons why you don't go out, you spend all your money at restaurants. Customized Mike Balone collection. Come get y'all some customized.
Out here, baby.
These two.
Y'all see the logo?
You see? I don't see the logo.
I'll show you the logo. Mike Malone fashion.
Mike Malone fashion. It's lit. So if you're out in LA, come stop here. It's lit.
Mike Malone look greasy right now, but God is good.
God is good. Okay. So we're here at Happy Ice, Happy Life. We about to go get some ice. My camera's about to die. I'm never prepared for this moment. Where's some? Oh,